Is it true that you can trade crypto with a 100% win rate? Is it true that you don't have to use a stop loss? We're going to talk about it today. I'm going to show you how we have a certain type of a trade that has a 100% win rate, but you have to do it right. Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, it's Joel Peterson with the Crypto Code, and today we're going to talk about a very specific type of trade that we do here at the Crypto Code that has a 100% win rate, does not need any stop losses, and has been a true winner for us and our members. Now, I want to quell the fears right now because a lot of people say, well, everyone says you have to have a stop loss. Everyone ever says you have to have a stop loss. And there are certain types of trades that you will want to have stop losses with, and we do those. However, we have a trade strategy called a scalp DCA trade strategy that has a 100% win rate. And yes, that's both going long and short trades. If you want to verify these, you can head on over to our public trade record at trade.thecryptocode.com or thecryptocode.com/trade record, and you can see our posted trades here. On our scalp DCA trades, we actually have a 100% win rate. Now, we do other types of trade alerts as well. Our overall win rate is an 89.19% win rate as of the time of me recording this. We shoot around 88 to 90% total win rate. But the certain type of trade alert that I'm going to show you today, and I'm going to just show you how this works, is called a scalp DCA trade. And I'm going to show you how it uses proper risk management, and you can get a 100% win rate on these trades. And this is what we've been doing for over 2 years now. So buckle up. I'm going to show you guys how this works. And by the way, if you want to learn how to do this, look for the link down below in our videos here. You can register for one of our workshops. You can see how we do these trades, how we have an alert system where we'll let you know about these trades, and how our members are getting these 100% win rates on our scalp DCA trades, and you could do the same thing. Also, we'll send you $10 in Bitcoin for watching that workshop, taking a short quiz at the end. Let me get started with the video. I'm going to explain it to you in a very, very simple way. So first I want to talk about regular trading and stop losses. So for example, I'm just going to pull up Bitcoin on a 4-hour chart. Now, basically what you're looking at is our what we call the TCC trading dashboard. And the bottom line is with trading, it's pretty simple actually. You see those green lines and those red lines? The green lines is what's called support. The red lines across those red bars, this is called resistance. And all trading is we are moving across these major support down here and resistance lines. We're bouncing up and down through these levels, bouncing around up and down through these levels. If price drops down to the support and it breaks through, it's going to go down to the next level. If it breaks through, it's going to go down to the next level. Now, in trading, we want to be buying when it's red, we want to be buying when it's going down, and selling when it goes up. All right? So I want to teach you that basic foundation because you don't always know if the price is going to continue down, or if it's going to bounce off that support, that green line, or once it goes up to the support level, is it going to break down from here? Guess what? It's always going to do one or the other. It's going to go up, or it's going to go down. Crypto is always waving, okay? Crypto is always waving. See my chart here? Price is always moving in waves. And what we do here at the Crypto Code is we extract the profits out of these waves, both shorts, both longs. We make money if prices going up. We make money if prices going down. But specifically, I want to talk about our scalp DCA trades. And what scalping means is we're basically scalping money out of the middle. We're just basically extracting money out of the waves. And we do that by these very, very specific trades. So I'm going to give you an example here of this trade. And I'm going to go ahead and switch to a different token here. Let's go ahead and put this on Matic right now. So here's the trade on Matic. Polygon Matic is what this token is called. All right, so what most people, they're taught to believe that when you trade that you should set your entry price and then you should have some kind of stop loss, so if the price drops down, you can cut your trade before you have a loss, and you can minimize your loss and if the trade goes the other way. And that's very valid. We do the same thing with certain types of our trades as well. We have stop losses in certain types of our what we call our TA trades. But this particular trade is called a scalp DCA trade. It has a 100% win rate. I'm going to teach you how to do it right now. So basically, you first need to understand when you're going to make your entry, whether you're going to be short or long. Long meaning you're going to, buy on spot or what's called a derivatives exchange, but I would highly recommend that you start with a spot exchange. So you're trading on Coinbase, you're trading on Binance, no matter where you are in the world, and you're going to take your entry point. Now here at the Crypto Code, we use what's called our trading dashboard. And this is a perfect example of showing this trade in action right here on Matic. So you never know if the price is going to go up or down, but there are certain things that you can pay attention to, these major support and resistance lines. So let's just say, and I'm going to take it from right here, that we got a buy signal here and we bought here Matic at 0.389%, right? Happy days, right? We bought here our buy signal. It came down to the support. We got a buy signal and price continued up about 8% from here. So that was on the 14th of August. What is today? Today is the 21st of August. Great. And many of our trades will shoot for a 4 to 5 to 6% win. So we would have had a win right there. And we got another buy alert here, and you can see that the current price is up about 20% from the from August 21st to the 24th. So we've had a tremendous move in Polygon Matic in just a few short days. But let's back up again, okay? Let's say, wait a second, we had this massive drop here. So let's just say, we had this buy alert here back on the 30th of July, and price went all the way down 32%, all right? So let's say you had $100, okay? Or let's say you had $1,000 in a trade and it went down 32%, well, your trade would be down, minus $320. Okay, so your trade would be down $680. Now, traditional stop loss, you would have put a stop loss and you would have been out of the trade. However, I don't like to lose money. I like to make money. And so one thing you're going to learn in crypto is money moves from impatient hands to patient hands. You want to be the patient hands person, okay? Let me show you how you're going to be the patient hands person, and you're going to win 100% of the time on these scalp DCA trades. So here I am here, and I bought my crypto here, and the price started moving down. Well, what do most people do? They start panicking, right? They start panicking. They see the price goes down. They see the price goes down. The price goes down. And they're all the way down here, and they can't take it anymore, and they sell. So they took the $1,000 and they sell, and they're down. Now their portfolio is $680. And as soon as they sell, what typically starts to happen? Yep, you see the price start to go up again, and you go, oh man, why did I sell? Let me show you the scalp DCA trade strategy that has the risk, has proper risk management in here. It'll get you into these 4%, 5% trade wins on a very, very consistent basis. Now, I'm going to show you this, and then I want to talk about the 4 to 5% win rates, and I'm going to tell you why that's exciting, because if you're not excited about a 4 to 5% win rate, I'm going to show you why that's very, very exciting. Hint, you can do that multiple times in a month. All right, we'll come back to that in a second. So let's just say here we were on the 24th of July, or the 30th of July, and price tanked down 33%. Okay, what would we do in this case? Well, what we do is we buy red and we sell green, right? So when we place our initial order, we place our buy order here, we also put what's called a limit order down. And we go down, in this particular example, it would have been about 23%. Okay, so the price is 0.499 cents. That's our first buy. We're going to go down about 23% down about right there. Okay, so then our next buy order would be at about 0.382%. We would say, if the price drops down, we're going to put it what's called a safety order or a DCA order down 23 or so percent. Okay, so if price drops down, we're going to buy more. We're doing the opposite of what everyone does, right? Okay, now guess what? If price continues to drop down, guess what we're going to do? We're going to buy even more, all right? So if it drops down, say, another 23%, that would be right in here. We're going to buy even more at 0.295. Okay, so price right now did not drop to that. So we're going to buy even more. So here's the beauty of this. We bought here. We bought here. So now we have double the amount of tokens, but we got it for a cheaper price. And we also did get a buy signal right there, but although we had already bought, and now price is going up. And guess what? Boom, you would be in profit right now. See, price is at 0.478. You would be in at least a 4% profit right from here because you bought here and you bought here, and now price has gone up. Price always goes back up. It always goes back down. All right. Your trade would be a profitable trade. So instead of losing, $420 you would have made, or $320 you would have actually made 4% on your $1,000, at least a 4%. So what would you have done? Times 4%, you would have made $40. All right, instead of losing money on that $1,000, you would have made $40. Now, we're going to talk about a couple things why 4% is an exciting thing, and you can even do more than 4%. And I'll show you some of my results here in just a moment. Here's the deal. There's a lot of 4%s hiding in these waves. And I'm going to show you Matic here, and you can do this both longing and shorting, okay? So let me just show you here. There we go. All right. 4% there, okay? 4% there, okay? Lots of 4%. In fact, if you're more patient, you can get into many of these and ride that all the way up to 71%. But really, there's just a lot of 4%s all right in these areas. 4%, 4%, 4%, 4%, 4%. So imagine you do 4% 10 times in a month. That's 40% in a month. And you can do what's called shorting, and you can use the same method, shorting, or you can go on spot and buy when it's red, which I recommend is the best strategy. And you can grab your 4% here, even though price is going down. It doesn't matter what the price is. Price doesn't matter. Percentages do. And the sooner that you can learn that, the more profitable that you're going to be in crypto. Now the question is how do I know when to buy and when to sell? And we can teach you that inside of our program. If you want to register for the program, we'll teach you how to do these trades. However, if you just want us to give you the trade setups for you that have a 100% win rate, well then go register for our workshop. We'll show you how to do it. We do these premium trader alerts inside of our program, and we do these each and every day. You can see that these are the trades that we had done today. We did a Lido trade, an EOS trade, a Doge trade, E-Gold trade, Sand trade, ICP trade, and you can see some of my trades in process right here on these trade alerts right here. So this is one of the trades that we did this morning. I'm up $21 in here, 2%. Here's another trade for IMX. Here's another SUI trade. So this is a perfect example. This is the SUI trade. It's already gone down a little bit. If it goes down, it's going to buy again. If it's going to go down, it's going to buy again. And that's contrary to how most people think. And what happens is it's a good thing when you go DCA down, because then when it swings back up, and it always does, you're actually going to make more profit. So it's going against the mentality of how people think. So I'll show you guys a couple more of these trades here in my trade history. So here's a quick XRP trade, 3.89% profit. Here's a Store J profit. This was actually a short trade that I did, a quick $18. Here's an ICP trade, $275. And these are all just very, very quick trades. Curve Finance, $18. Again, this was just putting in, a smaller amount. That was actually a short trade right there as well. And when I do short trades, I use usually no leverage on that, or very, very minimal leverage. There we go, injective. So you can see some of these trades in here. So it's not about getting, where most people fail is they focus on these massive, they're trying to get the the 5Xs, the 10Xs. But if you just go after these little scalp trades, 4%, 5%, 3%, and you do it multiple times, and you can even automate a lot of the strategy, well, it makes it it's even more exciting. And that is the truth to trading. Is most people are going for the big wins, but if you just go after the money and the waves, and you sometimes need to be a little bit more patient than others, and you use this scalping DCA strategy, you can be massively successful, and you can finally start having success in crypto. So again, guys, price doesn't matter. I don't care what the price of Bitcoin is. Like right now, it's 59,551. I don't care. I just care about the percentages. And during summertime, it gets boring. Sometimes price doesn't move very much. But then we get into these periods where we do have this volatility in the markets and things kick up around, and there's a lot of money to be made in crypto, just going after the money and the waves. And once you learn this, once you learn that price doesn't matter, that percentages do, your whole perspective changes in crypto and making money in crypto. So hopefully you guys got some value out of this, and that you can implement this DCA strategy in your own trades. If you want to get our trade setups, if you want to learn how we do our trades and how we have our 100% win rate on our scalp DCA trades, and how we have an overall win rate of 89.19% on all of our trades combined, make sure you go, like I said at the beginning of the video, go register for the workshop, go attend it, learn how to do it, learn about our program. You can get $10 in Bitcoin for attending that workshop, taking a short quiz at the end. This is Joel Peterson with the Crypto Code. As always, take massive action in your life in anything you do. We'll see you guys on another video. Bye, guys.
Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates on the latest and greatest in crypto. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops, where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has an 88% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.